Everyone, I just wanted to come on and make this video real quick to let you guys know about something. You guys have heard me talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing. You've likely seen a post or two talking about it as well. And I just wanted to let you guys know that the course that I took that taught me how to do all of this and earn a substantial passive income at home through Pinterest. Well, Christina is relaunching the course tonight at midnight. It's new and improved. And I know she has a few specials lined up, basically early bird specials. So if you sign up early, you're going to get a couple extra bonus courses to go along with it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that link for you below. Make sure you guys check it out. She also has some free courses as well. If that's something that you might be interested in, just leave me a comment below and I'll make sure to hook you up with that information as well. I can't even begin to tell you guys how much it has changed. Not only my online business, but my life and my health as well. There are so many different things that you can do online, and Pinterest is honestly the most passive and least intrusive method of marketing that there is, and tons of people are seeing success with it, and I know you could too. All you have to do is follow the steps exactly as Christina has laid out in her courses. They're super easy to understand, and you'll be on your way to earning passive affiliate commissions as well. Within the first 30 days, I think it was, of taking her first course, I had earned about $3,000 in affiliate commissions. And I can go ahead and link some of those posts and videos below for you as well. But go ahead and check it out. The course is only available for a limited time. So get it while you still can. All right. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. I'll be talking to you real soon, and bye for now.